Hi, I'm Nick Corlick with Minard's Leisure World in Weyburn, Saskatchewan, and I'm with the 2018 Springdale 300 FWBH that you're going to have a quick peek with me on. This is a fifth wheel, of course. It's about 8,500 pounds dry weight, so even the newer half tons you can tow with it. And of course, the 3/4 tons, you'll be really thrilled with the performance. Fiberglass walls, a stylized front nose cap. It has a power awning, and this one has a tremendous power awning on it. Nice and long, plus the lights, as you can see, plus the fact that you can adjust the pitch on it very easily. And you can put both sides down if you so desire, or just the one. It's your call. Something that you're going to like about this is that there's no slide on this side, so you've got your whole yard that's wide open for you and for your kids and your family to be hanging out in. Storage compartment that will hold a pretty fair amount of stuff for you. Enclosed underbelly. Has a friction hinge door that will stand where you want it to be, and you don't have to worry about tying it down. Those tie downs on the doors were always giving problems because people forget and they end up pulling them out. So this you'll quite like. Aluminum tread steps, pet friendly, human friendly, and you will enjoy those as well. As we come down, just some of the things that are on the side of the trailer. The TV inside, you just lift it off the wall and you can bring it out and set it here and watch those rider games if you so desire. And as we go right to the back, at the back of the trailer has the refreshment center, fridge that will keep the adult as well as the kids' drinks fresh and cold for you, as well as a countertop with storage here. You can put a Foreman grill on here if you so desire. An ice machine fits perfectly, and then you can just plug it in right at the back here. Let's go inside and have a look. Okay, we're inside the 300 FWBH Springdale, and just have a look at this very quickly. You just feel a nice wide open space. Fifth wheels are really nice to come into because you've got the height as well as the width. What's really nice about this, and people have always asking for it, I want a place to hang my coats as soon as we walk in. So there's a place to hang the sweaters or coats, a place to sit down and put on shoes in the morning, and even above all else, a place to put the shoes at night when you come in. Us Canadians, we like to take our shoes off when we come into the house. So that's what we do, and that's where we need to have a place for them. Biggest complaint that we have on trailers for our customers. The kitchen. Nice stylized front, all seamless top, and sunken sink and one big sink, so that there's lots of room to wash crock pots or pots for before the meal. Loads of space in the cupboards, as you can see. Oven and a 6 cubic foot fridge. Now, I was talking big about the closet, but check out the pantry space. 2 sides, floor to ceiling to put your groceries. So you've got, again, things that people require is pantry space, or space in general. Table and chairs, a booth dinette with a completely movable table if you like. This can even go outside if you want it to. And a booth that the table will even go down into making a bed. Back in here in the living room part is we have recliners, the theater seating right across from the television. I should mention possibly the windows, and they have the accordion style night shades as well. Jack and Jack bunks, and check out the thick mattress here, and that's going to give the kids a comfortable place to stay as well as yourselves. Plus they have windows on top and bottom. Nobody's going to feel claustrophobic in there. Television on the side, deep storage compartment, and then down below deep cabinets as well for storage. Place for, it's an outside speakers as well. I don't know if I mentioned that, but you can just adjust the speakers from in the inside here. Now, guess what's inside here? Own half bath for the kids. So now you've got a foot flush toilet, you've got a cabinet for linens and the like, or bathing suits, all the clothes for the kids if you prefer, medicine cabinet, and a vanity. They don't have to be used in the main bathroom. Okay, we're in the main bathroom to the to the Springdale 300 FWBH. It has a foot flush toilet. It has a vanity with a medicine cabinet, plus it's got the glass radius doors, so it keeps lots of space in the bathroom for you. Wardrobe slide out, so again, loads of storage and not a lot of weight to it. So you've got a place to put your towels. You've got the door off the master bedroom right here, so that can be closed up, and then you've got a whole closet inside here. Okay, in the master bedroom, of course, this is over the neck of the fifth wheel. It has the wardrobe closet on this side. It has closets on this side. It's got ledges for you to put things. You've got a place here, even a drawer here, that you can be putting stuff at, just like at home, and a place you can put your glasses, your glass of water, or your cell phones or your electronics that you want to have charging up. Here's something else that you should think of. A lot of the smaller fifth wheels don't have a lot of room up here. This is tight, of course, but again, you're just sleeping up here anyway, so you've got a place in here, and it's not that difficult to be making the bed. That's another one of the complaints that so many people have in fifth wheels, that it's uncomfortable trying to make the bed. This is pretty fair. All right, now that is the 2018 Springdale fifth wheel 300 FWBH. I want you to have a look at it, of course. You'll have to contact us. However, things to remember about this trailer. Pretty well half-ton towable, around 8,500 pounds dry weight. It has half bath off the back here, so you've got 2 bathrooms for your household. You've got loads of storage space on the inside, and those are all hot buttons that people have been asking for. I'm Nick with Minard's Leisure World. Check us out online. It's minardsleisureworld.com, or give us a call, 1-877-842-3288. Take care.